all, what is meant by periodic table? In ancient times there are 92 elements. In nowadays there are 118 elements are classified to the periodic table. I want to explain about modern periodic table. It was invented by the Moseley. In periodic table there are two parts. First one is groups. Groups are the vertical columns. There are 16 groups. And next part is periods. Periods are the horizontal columns. With 7 periods. Further, periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. There are S block, P block, D block and F block. First of all, this is known as S block. It is divided into 2 parts. It is the left side to the periodic table. Its electronic configuration is NS1 to 2. It is divided into 2 parts. First one is First A. It is also known as alkaline metals. Its electronic configuration is NS1. There are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And next one is second A. It is known as alkaline earth metals. Its electronic configuration is NS2. S block elements are also useful in the fireworks. The strontium, potassium and barium are the brightly colors of the red, purple and blue. Next one is P block. P block. It is right side to the periodic table. Its electronic configuration is NS2 and NP1 to 6. P block has metals, non-metals and metalloids and inert gases. This P block is divided into 3rd A, 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A and 8th A. Boron family. This one is known as 4th A. It is known as carbon family. This is known as 5th A. It is known as nicogens. This is known as 7th A. It is known as halogens. This is known as halogens. 8th group is known as noble gases, inert gases, monoatomic gases and inactive gases. Actually, helium belongs to the S block. It is inertness. It belongs to the P block. When P block and S block together, they form representative elements. Next one is D block. It is also known as transistor elements. And 8th B. And next block is F block. F block is also known as inner transistor elements. And actinides. It is bottom of the periodic table. In F block there are 30 elements. They are divided into two parts. First part is known as lanthanides. Lanthanides are started with the lanthanum, so they are known as lanthanides. There are 15 elements in the lanthanides, and there are silver white metals. And second part is known as actinides. Are also 15 elements. Actinides. Actinides are started from the actinum, so they are known as actinides. In actinides there are ammonium, etc. There are all the man-made metals. Thank you for giving.